Do you want to change aspect ratio in Nano Banana AI but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing great. I am fine as well. In this video, I will tell you how you can change aspect ratio of your photos in Nano Banana AI. You can change any aspect ratio. In this video, I will change my photo to 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So let's start the video. First of all, log in into Google AI Studio. Then you will see Try Nano Banana option. Click on Try Nano Banana. Then you have to enter the prompt to generate the image. And after entering the prompt, click on Run. Then processing will start, and after a few moments picture will be generated, and you can see the picture is not in 16 by 9 widescreen ratio. What we will do, we will try again and tell Nano Banana to generate picture in 16 by 9 ratio. Let's see, can Nano Banana AI generate 16 by 9 ratio image? So I have written the prompt. Here we go. Now I will hit on run. Here we go. Now processing has been started. Now we have to wait for a while to see what kind of image Google Nano Banana will generate. So picture has been generated by Google Nano Banana, but you can see the picture is not in 16 by 9 ratio. So what we will do, we will download the image, click on new chat, and we will open the new tab. In new tab, you have to open this website. This website is called huggingface.co. Over there, you will see a search bar. You have to select aspect and you will see spaces option, and the first one will be Nano Banana aspect ratio change. Click on that. Then you will see this kind of page. Over there you can select any aspect ratio. I am selecting 16 by 9 for this time, and after that click on generate. Then you will see a prompt. Copy the prompt and you will see a blank image of 16 by 9 ratio. Download that as well. Then again go to Try Nano Banana and upload your downloaded photo. Here we go. And after that, upload transparent photo of 16 by 9 ratio. And after that, enter copied prompt and hit on run. Then again processing will be started, and you will see the picture will be generated into 16 by 9 ratio. And this is how you can create 16 by 9 ratio or any aspect ratio photo in Google Nano Banana AI. Here you can see the old photo and here is the new photo, and now you can also download the image. So friends, this is how you can change aspect ratio in Nano Banana AI with few simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell as well. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.